I have 38 coins and they are made up of 50 cents. So out of these 38 coins, I have 50-cent coins and I have 20-cent coins. Am I making sense here? All right, I have 50-cent coins and I have 20-cent coins. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to write down that these are all 50 cents. All right, and then the other part it is all 20 cents. Okay, now when I look at this question, okay, I know that this is a number X value question. Okay, now, well, but then I realized that I don't know how many 20 cents or how many 50 cents do I have individually, correct? Right, what I do know for sure is that the total is 38 coins. Am I making sense here? So shall we just use assumption to solve a question like that? All right, so you can see over here, we are going to use assumption. So we are going to assume, okay, assumption tells us to use, right, at dog, I ate the doctor. I'm going to assume that all 38 coins are 20-cent coins. Okay, all 38 coins are 20 cents. How do I times? I do 38 times 20 cents. All right, put 38 times 20 cents. We get to our answer of $7.60. Okay, then for E stands for extra. You can see that the total value is $13.60, correct? But what I found is only $7.60. So that is $13.60 minus away $7.60. Okay, if you're unsure of what I'm talking about, because you know this is assumption and this is the first time that you have heard it, I would highly encourage you to watch, you know, my first few videos on assumption first. Okay, now when you watch that, then you come back to this and then you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, now D stands for difference. What do I mean by difference? Difference is always the single difference. So the difference is basically 50 cents minus 20 cents. And that gives me 30 cents. Am I making sense here? And of course, the last one, opposite. Opposite, we always use the formula E over D. E stands for extra, which is your answer over here, $6, over D, which is 30 cents. All right, we get to 6 divided by 30 cents, we get to our answer 20. Now, then if you're wondering 20 what, Teacher Joseph? Now, do you remember that this is $6 and this is 30 cents? Right? When I divide, it means that the dollar signs has to be cancelled, correct? So this is 20 what? 20 50-cent coins. Huh? How do you get 20 50-cent coins? Who told you that? Because it is the opposite of what I've assumed. If I assume that all are 20-cent coins, then my opposite has to be the rest are 50 cents. Or the opposite will be 50 cents. Am I making sense here? If I assume that all are 20 cents, or in fact, sorry, if I assume that all are 50 cents, then I have to say that my opposite is 20 cents. Am I making sense here? So it's the opposite of what you have assumed. Okay, how do you check? Very simple. I know my check is a little too crowd that side, so I'm just going to shift it down. Now, how do I check? Okay, so listen up very carefully. Okay, this is done. All right, so we know that if I have 20 50-cent coins, I'm just going to do 20 times 50 cents. Okay, 20 times 50 cents. All right, so I will just put 0.50 plus how many 20 cents coins? Do you remember just now you have 38 coins, right? So if 20 of them are 50 cents, then of course the hidden information has to be 38 minus 20, which gives me 18. 18 of them are 20 cents coins. Am I making sense here? 18 times 20 cents, and then we see whether if our answer brings us back to the value of 1360. All right, so 20 times 50 cents plus 18 times 20 cents. All right, you get to the same value that the question has given you, which is $13.60. Okay, so is that your answer? No, the answer is this. What is the ratio? They are asking for the ratio of the number of 20-cent coins. Ask yourself, 20-cent coins, how many? 18, right? Is to 20. Can I simplify? For sure, right? 18 over 20, simplify, you get to 9 is to 10. And therefore your answer for this has to be 9 is to 10.